Hi friends, welcome back to our backend application in CRUD operation. Last class we have created the project structure or a project folder for our application. In that project folder or project structure application, we have created or we have generated the some folders and files. In this class, we are going to create a third-party files called asynchronous operations handling, and a response API handling and error API handling. For that utils, I'm going to create first file I'm going to create asynchronous handle to handle the asynchronous operation. In this, I'm going to implement the one function called asynchronous handler equal to it will take the request handler as a function. It returns the one more function called request comma response comma next. Two ways we are going to implement this inside function. One is a try catch, or another one is a promise resolve and catch. I'm going to handle first try catch. I'm going to show both of that, how the codes will look like. First, I'm going to implement try catch. In the try method, I'm going to call the request handler function. In this request handler, request comma response comma next. I'm going to transfer to handle this error into the error middleware. For that, I'm going to making this next of error. To use this function export, named export is equals to asynchronous handle. Next file is like API response.js. This is in this we are going to take the one class instead of the function. I'm going to take the class, that is class name is I'm going to name it as a same name of file name. First, I'm going to create constructor status code comma message of the message. Before message, I'm going to take data means if you take the user data, if you want to show the response of user data, like that is a data, like user data or post data, or like some data, like some user information to show in the response form, like message this dot status code. I'm assigning these objects to the this, like this class. Next one is this dot data equal to data. Next, this dot message. I'm going to write here default message called success. Next, this dot success means I'm going to write it. I'm going to show the boolean here. Boolean I'm going to generate using the status code less than or equal to 400. I'm going to export this one also using the named export called API response. Same like I'm going to show the error also, API error. I'm going to make it as a file name API error.js. Class name called API error. It will extends error. This class is extends from the error class. If you want to see the error class, what contents are there, there is a nodejs. Nodejs is there. In the nodejs, run javascript everywhere. Here about docs. In this docs, there is a content called error. Here it is the after domain. There is a errors to handle the error messages. Like here, this error is a one class. In this contains the constructor and error dot capstack trace and error track trace limit cause code. This is the error code. If you see this message, error dot message and error dot code, this contents is available in this error. I'm going to extending this class error constructor. I'm using as a same same elements like a status code data data comma data. I'm not giving because of in the error message there is no data. Message is this something. I'm going to write the default message like something went wrong, something went wrong. like one more is like error, like error trace or errors. I'm going to show in the form of stack. This dot status code equal to status code. Before here I'm going to call the superclass. Superclass means like this, like superclass constructor, not superclass. This class constructor I'm going to pass as a message. This one. So if you see, observe this. Where is this constructor? Here new. It will takes the. I'm calling this new error like a. It will takes the message string. This class and this dot message equal to message. Message means like what is the cause of the message, or this dot errors equal to error. Okay, that's all friends. It is the error response, like a API error. And in the async handler we can handle this async handler one more way, promise.resolve. In this I'm going to call, sorry, request handler. It takes the request comma response comma next, and then is a catch, dot catch. Can take like this also, dot catch will take the callback function is a error. Initially you can directly call the next function also, next of error. I'm going to, or you can use the try catch also, or you can use the promise based also, promise.resolve or dot catch, or you can use the try catch also. Which one you are able to understand, that you can use that in your code. These things we are going to use while developing or while implementing this logic part, or in the controller part. This response, this error, or this asynchronous handler, we are going to use in the while implementing the controllers or business logic. That's all friends. We are going to see implement the further concepts in the next sessions. If you like my content, or if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.